pretty normal, but we're just basically a month behind.
Harvest season has started around Illinois after being set behind several times this year, but farmers aren't worried about getting all their work done.
It started with storms around planting season and continued with a summer drought. Some farmers have said they've never planted this late. WCIA3's Andy Olson joins us now. So, Andy, why aren't the farmers concerned?
Well, Paul, it turns out harvest season used to end a lot later than it does now. Recently, farmers have been done as soon as the end of October. That won't be the case this year, but for older farmers, they're used to this kind of schedule. Only 23% of Illinois corn is harvested as of Sunday. Last year at this time, 70% was harvested. 30-year farmer Paul Beerbaum of Champaign was in his combine Wednesday trying to catch up. While he'll admit he's behind schedule, he still had time to talk with us.
I am hoping to be done by Thanksgiving. That's what I was, and that's not that far away, you know. I won't be done very long before that, and that's if the weather holds. We've had really good weather for harvesting, really good weather, even though it's chilly.
Farmers are hoping the weather continues to stay dry and snowless. Dry weather is key for harvesting soybeans. They may be in trouble if things start to get wet. Even though they're behind, the manager of the Champaign County Farm Bureau says the time of year isn't bothering the farmers he knows.
We put more crop in late this year than probably what most farmers have ever seen. As far as then the lateness of harvest, I would say not. You know, it wasn't too many years ago. You talk to some of the farmers that have been farming for a long time. They talk about harvest typically started in October.
Beerbaum is one of those farmers. He says new technology in the seed and machinery has helped their process.
We have a lot better equipment nowadays than we had years ago. When I was a kid, we were never done by Thanksgiving. And one year I remember harvesting on Christmas Day. So, no, I'm not worried about, you know, getting done fast.
Beerbaum also told me this year's yield isn't going to be as high as in years past, but he still thinks their yield is going to be above the average trend line. Paul?
That's some good news. Andy, thanks. 27% of soybeans in Illinois had been harvested as of Sunday. That's compared to 59% at this time last year. 2018's harvest also produced better soybeans. 33% last year were given excellent grades, but only 5% have gotten excellent grades this year.